Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you limit messaging to only people who follow you on Roblox. So at first, just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just scroll a bit and click on settings. Now click on privacy, the third option. Now in the communication, here you can see who can message me. Click on everyone and set it to friends, users I follow and my followers, the second option. And this is how you can do it. So guys, hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.